Today I'll show you guys how to access and transfer NFTs on your Tangem Wallet. Use code Tangem Tutorials for 10% off your purchase. As you might know, the Tangem Wallet doesn't have a built-in feature for viewing NFTs at the moment. I'm going to show you a quick and easy guide on how to view the NFTs on your Tangem Wallet. Step 1, go to OpenSea. Click the icon in the top left corner of the screen and hit the Connect Wallet option. Click on Wallet Connect and search for the Tangem Wallet option. Click View All and search for the Tangem Wallet option. You should be prompted to open your Tangem Wallet app. Click Start in the Tangem app to log into OpenSea. You should now be able to view your NFTs. Click the icon in the top left corner of the screen and hit the Account option, then click on Profile. You should be able to see your NFTs available. If some of your NFTs are missing, swipe to the right of your screen, click the More option, then select Hidden. You should see any others and be able to unhide them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Remember to get 10% off your wallet purchase.